In this video, I made two different types of vegan toaster strudels. The first one has a sweet raspberry filling with cream cheese icing on top, and the second is a savory filling of sausage, egg, and cheese, kind of like a toaster scramblers version. To start off with the sweet filling, I added some raspberries and sugar to a pan and heated it up. You don't have to make this from scratch, you could just use pre-made jam or jelly, but I wanted to add in cornstarch and corn syrup to create a thicker, more sticky, gelatinous texture since I think that's more realistic to the filling of toaster strudels. So I just continued to cook that down until it reached the texture that I wanted. Next, I made the cheese sauce for the savory filling, and I'll link the recipe I used in the description box. Then after that, I wanted to make the egg filling, and I heated up some oil in a pan and crumbled some firm tofu, and then I added in some spices. I've made tofu scramble on my channel before in a different video, so I will make sure to include a link to that one. The only difference is that I usually would add some type of liquid or almond milk, but this one I wanted it to be a little drier since I was adding the cheese sauce. I added in a vegan breakfast sausage and cut it up into pieces and combined it with the rest of the scramble. After that, I added in some of the cheese sauce to help the mixture all kind of stick together. Next, I got out a sheet of puff pastry and cut it in three, and then cut those three long pieces in half. The amount of filling makes more than three, but for this video, I just made two sweet and one savory version. I put the sweet raspberry filling onto one half of the toaster strudel and make sure to leave some on the edge. And then I filled the next one with the savory scramble and the last one again with the raspberry filling. Then I just put the other half on top of the half with the filling and used a fork on all of the sides to press down and seal the two pieces together. After that, I went off the instructions on the puff pastry package and put them in the oven, and while they were cooking, made the cream cheese icing for the sweet version. And I started off with some pre-made Daya vegan cream cheese, added a little bit of vanilla extract, and some powdered sugar. After that, I just whisked all of it together until it reached a smooth consistency that would easily squeeze out onto the toaster strudel. And the last thing is just to add the icing to the sweet version, and then the toaster strudels are complete. Thanks for watching.